Moving on to Amethi from Varanasi, the final countdown to the big Amethi showdown has already begun. Today, Kumar Vishwas, AAP's Amethi warrior, filed in his papers. This as Priyanka touched base in Amethi to begin her highly personalized campaign to seek votes for both her brother Rahul Gandhi. On the other hand, there is also Smriti Irani, who jumped into the fray as the BJP face for Amethi. I'd like to cut across to Gaurav Sawant, who's joining us from Ground Zero Amethi on the very latest. Gaurav, apart from Varanasi, the polescape of Amethi is extremely interesting because at one side you have Kumar Vishwas, who of course filled in his nomination papers today. You have Priyanka Gandhi, who jumped in to her brother's defense, and of course Smriti Irani, who is no hold bar attacking both Rahul Gandhi and Kumar Vishwas.
Well, this indeed is an amazing battle, a three-cornered contest between Rahul Gandhi, for him to hold on to his bastion, to hold on to the margin. The victory margin that he had in the 2009 general elections was 3.7 lakh votes.
Yes.
Now both Smriti Irani and Kumar Vishwas trying to eat into that margin. Kumar Vishwas, as you rightly pointed out, he filled in his papers today. He walked for 15 kilometers to the Gauriganj collectorate. He was trying to make a point. I have no money to go in a car because Rahul Gandhi, his sister, his mother and his Jijaji, they have eaten away all the money in this area, the taxpayers' money. That was his refrain as he walked 15 kilometers to the Gauriganj collectorate and filed his papers. Now Smriti Irani, she's been campaigning door to door. She's been going to the traditional Congress strongholds, and also of the 5 assembly constituencies here, Congress lost out on 3 assembly constituencies in the 2012 assembly elections, and that is where Smriti Irani is concentrating. Kumar Vishwas concentrating on the 2 Congress won bastions, and in all, their aim is to bring down the Congress margin of victory, or perhaps achieve the impossible.
Gaurav, that's what I want to come down to. It's interesting how it's playing out because the traditional modes of campaigning have completely been abandoned. Let's look at all 3 together. The AAP, a new entrant, high on symbolism. We've never seen Priyanka Gandhi been this aggressive, the kind of comments she's making directly to the media. On the other hand, Smriti Irani, door-to-door contact. Never seen this kind of campaigning, what's playing out in Amethi.
And Priyanka Gandhi intends to do just the same. Tomorrow, she will have 11 of these Nukkad Sabhas where she reaches out to people. Like today, this evening, she is here at the Munshiganj guest house. And here she is meeting Congress party activists, whether it's a block president or a district activist, trying to get a hang of what's the pulse on the ground. But tomorrow, she moves out, which many people say is very rare, because this is a no-holds-barred fight, as you rightly pointed out. That's one aspect of the story. The second aspect of the story is, I spoke to Kumar Vishwas earlier this afternoon. He said the day Sonia Gandhi reaches Amethi for her rally, exactly on the same day and at the same time, you will have Arvind Kejriwal reaching here, and he'll have his rally, just so that people know that this is a direct fight between Sonia Gandhi and Arvind Kejriwal, and that will be his show of strength. Whether this is bluff, whether this is bluster, whether on ground this actually plays out or not, but all the Aam Aadmi Party activists who are moving around with Kumar Vishwas, they are enthused with this. Smriti Irani, well, she's been going from village to village, going to these rural areas and saying, why is it that Priyanka Gandhi is talking about, the 2009 speech of Varun Gandhi? Why is it that she's not concentrating on the issue of development today? She addressed a large number of women in several of these areas where she's talking about why is there no sanitation, no water, no education, and why is it because of this reason are they talking about